Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. We're currently in lockdown right now, and as I mentioned previously, it probably has a big mental impact upon us. We might be facing a lot of problems, and we're just going to tell you how we can break this mental barrier that we have. And you have to understand, as a teacher, as a driving instructor, even in your lessons, you can come across a mental blockage. So, for example, you're progressing quite smoothly upwards, and suddenly we don't seem to be progressing anymore. You're not picking up the things that we teach you. Why does that happen? We come to a plateau. So we're going upwards, we're learning like this, and suddenly we can't take any more information in. So how do we break this mold? How do we improve ourselves? So let's just apply in terms of our driving. Sorry guys, so I'm just driving at the same time. Right about, look, right has priority, indicators come off, throw back on. I haven't talked for a while. Okay, so say you're learning and you're progressing really well, you're doing all the lessons, but suddenly or just eventually you can't take any more information in. How do you break that mold? Because now you're just doing lesson after lesson without improving, and that's happened to a lot of my students. It happens. It just, like any student, you can come across these blockages. So as a teacher, a few things we say, and I'm sure you can apply it to your life. Right now I'm going to the park to go for a run, and that way I can be a bit more fresh in the head. As a student, okay, so you can't improve, what can we do? There's a few things you guys can do. So for example, go out for a run, freshen your mind. That's the first thing I'll say, freshen your mind. Another thing you can be doing, if you're taking a lot of lessons during the week, for example, and now you can't take any more information in, I know it might sound unusual, but take a break from driving lessons, take a week off. So say for example you're taking 3-4 lessons in a week, 3-4 lessons in a week, and now you're not improving. The first thing is to just take a break, take a week off, do other things, forget about driving for about a week or so, and then go back to it and see if you can improve. So the other thing you guys can do, say if you're not taking a lot of lessons in a week, say you're taking 1 lesson in a week, build up the lessons then. If you're not improving, do quite a few lessons in a week, 2 or 3, so that you don't have a big gap. That's another way of trying to break that mold, change the habit. That's what we need to do. Give your mind a stimulus. We need to change our mindset in order to improve in everything that we do. When you're learning, whatever problems that you're facing, it all comes to your mind, how you perceive things, how you move forward. Do you look at it in a positive outlook, or do you just give up and be negative about it? We have to be positive. Like right now, I can't sleep, for example. My habits are really bad, my routines are bad. There's no work for us as driving instructors, so we got really nothing to do much throughout the day. So look, I'm putting myself in a different situation. I'm going to a different park, a park that I haven't been to for a while, and just a different atmosphere, just so I can give my body a shock. And that's one way I'm going to try and improve myself. I'm sure you guys have something that you like, some passions that you have, or you forget passions, something that is difficult for you, challenging for you. Do it. Get yourself out there. Right now we're in lockdown. There's nothing to hold us back, and we got amount of time, plenty of time that we can allocate ourselves to do things that we've never done before. So definitely do that. Here's the top section. Gonna run down this path. Done a few laps already. Back and forth, back and forth. Very difficult, but you have to push yourself. No one else will push you otherwise. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe with FM Driving School. If you want to watch our driving videos, go to our channel playlist and you'll see loads of driving videos. If you want a few tips about how to break the mental barriers that we have during the lockdown period, then do check it out as well. Thank you for watching.